Hello guys, welcome back again to our channel AI Podcast Universe. If you're watching first time, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Paints Undo, the AI that rewrites your art's history. Hey, artists, creators, and tech enthusiasts. Ever wished you could rewind your artwork's creation process, like pressing Ctrl+Z 1,000 times to see every brush stroke, tweak, and aha moment? What if AI could learn to mimic your creative journey and turn it into a living timeline? Today, we're diving into Paints Undo, the groundbreaking AI project that's redefining how we collaborate with machines in the digital art world. Paints Undo, AI meets artistry, with animated strokes forming the logo. Let's face it, digital art is a maze of layers, adjustments, and oops moments. But what if we could reverse engineer that chaos into a step-by-step blueprint? Paints Undo does exactly that. It's like a time machine for your artwork, taking a finished piece and breaking it down into every decision, stroke, and color tweak. Why? To help AI understand human creativity, not just mimic it. How Paints Undo works. Presenter, leaning on a desk with a laptop. Under the hood, Paints Undo uses two powerhouse models. The single frame model. Imagine inputting a final image and telling the AI, hey, undo 300 steps. It spits out what your canvas looked like halfway through, like pausing a movie at the climax. The multi-frame model. Feed it two images, start and finish, and it fills in the blanks with solar smooth transitions. It's like turning a flipbook into a feature film. The tech breakdown. Simplified. Presenter, gesturing to code on screen. Paints Undo runs on a souped-up version of Stable Diffusion, trained to recognize artistic behaviors, from sketching to shading. It even uses a custom scheduler to mimic human pacing. But here's the kicker. It's not just for AI geeks. You can deploy it locally with a few copy-paste commands, or wait for the team's collab notebook if your GPU's on life support. Applications that'll blow your mind. Paints Undo isn't just a toy. It's a Swiss Army knife for artists. Creative inspiration. Stuck? See how your piece could have evolved differently. AI collaboration. Pair it with sketch-guided generators to redo steps and explore wild ideas. Art history. Analyze your process to refine your workflow, or teach AI to paint like you. Set up hardware realities. Pro tip. This beast needs serious horsepower. Think solar GB plus Varam. But hey, if your rig can't handle it, just wait for the collab version. And if you're lost on setup, just toss the commands to ChatGPT. It'll walk you through it like a buddy. The ethical nod. Before you go wild, a quick PSA. Paints Undo is all about augmenting human creativity, not replacing it. Use it ethically. No fake art, no drama. The devs are clear. This tool's a bridge, not a shortcut. Ready to bend reality with your art? Head to the GitHub Repo and unleash your inner time-traveling artist. And hey, if you loved this deep dive, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more AI magic. Until next time, stay creative, stay curious.